What if I told you that you could start a profitable business with less than $100? And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. These are real, proven business models that everyday people are using right now to escape the 9-to-5 and build financial freedom. Stick around because I'm breaking down the 6 best low-investment business ideas for 2026. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we upload money-making strategies every single week. Now, here's the truth. The barrier to entry for starting a business has never been lower. Technology has completely changed the game. Cloud computing, AI tools, automation platforms, they're all affordable and accessible right now. And 2026 is genuinely the perfect time to take action. So let's dive into these 6 incredible opportunities that could genuinely change your financial future. Idea number 1. Digital products, specifically Canva templates. Starting investment? Just $100 to $500. Here's the beautiful part about digital products. You create something one time, and then you sell it forever. No manufacturing costs, no inventory, no shipping. It's literally selling the same thing over and over again. I know what you're thinking. Digital products seem crowded, right? Wrong. The specific niche I'm talking about is Canva social media templates, and this is where the real money is. Think about it. Every single business, every content creator, every influencer needs fresh social media content daily. But most of them either don't have design skills or they don't have time to design from scratch. That's where you come in. Here's what makes this so profitable. First, there's huge demand. Businesses post daily across multiple platforms. Second, you can create 30 templates in a single weekend once you know what you're doing. Third, customers come back monthly for new seasonal designs, means recurring revenue. Fourth, premium template packs sell for $29 to $39 with nearly 100% profit margins. That's almost all pure profit. Now, here's the genius part. You don't even need to design these yourself. You can resell templates that come with private label rights. That means you buy them, rebrand them with your own name, and sell them as your own work. You'd list them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Now, if you want to get started with pre-made templates that you can rebrand and sell immediately, I've included links to all the best resources in the description. Check it out because those links will save you tons of time. Successful shops generate $2,000 to $15,000 monthly within the first year. Not bad for a less than $500 investment. Idea number 2. Digital marketing agency. Starting investment? $500 to $2,000. Here's the reality. Every business needs digital marketing. Every single one. But most business owners don't know how to do it. They're overwhelmed by SEO, paid ads, social media management, email campaigns. It's too much for them to handle. This is your opportunity. A digital marketing agency bundles multiple services together. Search engine optimization for rankings and organic traffic. Pay-per-click advertising across Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Social media management with content creation and engagement strategies. Email campaigns that actually convert. Website design that's optimized for sales. And analytics and reporting that shows the actual return on investment. Now, here's the key that makes this realistic for you. White label platforms. A platform called DashClicks lets you offer all of these services under your brand name without hiring a huge team. They handle the actual work. You handle the clients and the relationships. You're the face of the operation. To give DashClicks a try at no cost, I've included the free access link in the description. Your first clients come from offering free marketing audits. Analyze their current marketing, show them exactly what's broken and what's costing them money, and present it with specific recommendations. That builds trust before you ever ask for a sale. Target industries with proven marketing budgets. Real estate agencies, law firms, dental practices, home service companies like plumbers and HVAC companies. Monthly retainers typically range from $1,500 to $10,000 depending on what services you're offering. Do the math. Just 5 clients at $2,500 monthly equals $150,000 annually. Just 5 clients. Idea number 3. Niche dropshipping store. Starting investment? $0 to $40. Dropshipping means you run an e-commerce store without holding any inventory. Someone orders a product from you, then you order it from a supplier, and they ship it directly to your customer. You keep the difference. I know dropshipping sounds competitive because it is, but here's what works: niche focus. Don't try to sell generic products to everyone. Build a branded store around a specific passionate community. Sustainable pet products, minimalist desk accessories, adaptive clothing for seniors, meditation and mindfulness tools. These specific audiences care deeply about what they're buying, and they'll pay premium prices. The setup is simple. You'd use a platform like Ollie Dropship that lets you launch your store for free. There are even done-for-you dropshipping stores available that include product sourcing and store design, which eliminates the technical learning curve if you want to skip that part. What makes a winning product? It solves a specific problem. It has strong visual appeal for social media ads. It can be marked up at least 3 times, so you buy for $13 and sell for $40. It's getting search traction without tons of competition. Marketing comes through TikTok organic content showing the product in action, Facebook and Instagram ads targeting your specific audience, micro-influencers promoting your products, email marketing to repeat customers, and YouTube reviews. Successful stores generate $5,000 to $50,000 monthly with 15 to 30% profit margins after advertising costs. The first few months are about testing and learning, but that's when you figure out what actually sells. Idea number 4, print on demand. Starting investment? Just $100 to $1,000. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping, except you're the designer. You create designs, and then a company like Printful manufactures and ships the actual product. Here's how it works. A customer buys a t-shirt from your store with your design on it. Printful receives that order, prints your design onto the shirt, and ships it directly to the customer. You profit from the difference between what you charged and what Printful charged to produce it. The products you can sell are endless. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, socks, hats, throw pillows, wall art, blankets, notebooks, planners, pet products, the list goes on. Now here's the secret to winning at print on demand. Don't make generic designs. Make specific designs for passionate micro-audiences. Instead of an I love coffee shirt, create designs for chemical engineer mom, or vintage vinyl collector, or sourdough starter parent. People who relate to these specific designs will buy. Your investment is minimal. Printful is free. Your store costs $0 to $40 monthly on Shopify or Etsy. Design software like Canva Pro costs $13 monthly. Marketing budget is $50 to $500 to test ads. The beauty of print on demand is that you can launch with zero inventory. You don't buy anything until someone orders it. Marketing happens through organic TikTok and Instagram reels showing your design process, customer testimonials, and trending challenges. Plus paid ads on Facebook and Instagram that target people interested in your specific niche. Successful print-on-demand stores generate $2,000 to $10,000 monthly within the first year. Idea number 5, web hosting reseller business. Starting investment? $1,000 to $2,000. Here's a business model that flies under the radar for most people, becoming a web hosting reseller. Every single website on the internet needs hosting. Every business, every creator, every online store needs a home on the internet. And most business owners have no idea how to choose the right hosting provider. This is where you step in. As a hosting reseller, you partner with a hosting provider, purchase hosting packages at wholesale rates, and then resell them to clients at retail prices. You keep the difference as profit. The hosting company handles all the technical infrastructure, server management, and customer support. You handle the sales and client relationships. Here's why this is brilliant as a business. First, recurring revenue. Hosting is typically billed monthly or annually, so you have predictable, recurring income from each client. Second, minimal technical knowledge required. Your hosting partner handles all the back-end complexity. You're just the sales and relationship manager. Third, massive demand. New websites are launched every single day, and they all need hosting. Fourth, premium pricing potential. You can charge markup prices while still being competitive because you're providing value through your expertise and support. Here's the business model. You acquire hosting reseller packages or lifetime hosting packages that give you the ability to create unlimited hosting accounts for clients. You then market to small business owners, WordPress developers, digital agencies, or anyone building websites. Your clients pay you monthly or annually for their hosting. You pay your hosting provider a fraction of that cost. The difference is pure profit that scales infinitely because you're not limited by capacity like traditional service businesses. For example, if you acquire reseller hosting for $500 that gives you unlimited accounts, and you sell just 10 hosting packages at $50 monthly, you've already made back your entire investment. Everything beyond that is profit. There are incredible platforms like HostVerge that offer lifetime reseller hosting packages. This means you pay once, and you can resell hosting forever without monthly or annual renewal fees. I've included the link to check out their reseller lifetime hosting service in the description because this is genuinely one of the best ways to start this business with minimal ongoing costs. Marketing your hosting business comes through targeting WordPress developers and agencies, creating content about hosting performance and benefits, local business outreach showing the importance of reliable hosting, email marketing, and even partnerships with web designers who need hosting for their clients. Revenue potential is exceptional. Just 5 clients at $50 monthly generates $3,000 annually. Scale to 50 clients and you're at $30,000 annually. 100 clients at different price points and you're well into 6 figures with almost passive income. Idea number 6. Building and monetizing a YouTube channel. Starting investment? $0 to $1,000. Now, here's the difference between being a content creator and running a YouTube channel as an actual business. A lot of people miss this distinction. As a business, you're not just making videos you love. You're strategically building an asset that generates multiple income streams from day one. You build a niche-focused YouTube channel around a specific topic. That could be productivity tips, personal finance education, AI tutorials, psychology insights, or business advice. The key is choosing something with hungry audiences actively searching for solutions. Once your channel gains traction, you generate income through YouTube's partner program monetization, sponsorships from brands in your niche, affiliate marketing by recommending tools and products, selling digital products to your audience, and building a community you can monetize through coaching or group programs. The beautiful part? YouTube does the distribution for you. You create the content, upload it, and YouTube's algorithm pushes it to people actively searching for exactly what you're teaching. Here's the business structure. You're not just posting random videos. You're creating a content system. Consistent uploads on a specific schedule, strategic calls to action linking to your digital products or services, community engagement that builds loyalty, and strategic collaborations with other creators in your niche. The investment is low because you're using tools you probably already have, a smartphone or camera for filming, free editing software like CapCut. Revenue timeline. Most channels hit monetization within 6 to 12 months with consistent uploads of 3 to 5 videos weekly. From there, successful channels generate $500 to $5,000 monthly from YouTube monetization alone, plus additional revenue from sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to accelerate your results and avoid the common mistakes that kill new YouTube channels, I've linked a free masterclass that walks you through the exact system for building a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. It covers channel strategy, content planning, monetization tactics, and the specific niche selection process. The link to that free masterclass is in the description. Seriously, go grab it because it'll save you months of trial and error. The opportunity is right now. Technology has leveled the playing field. You don't need massive capital. You don't need years of experience. You just need to pick one idea, commit to it, and take action. Which business idea excited you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And seriously, if you're interested in the YouTube channel business model, grab that free masterclass from the description. It'll give you the exact roadmap to get started. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies every single week. Let's go build something incredible.